Hello everyone, I have another package and it is came from Extreme Digital from a Hungarian online store, and it's gonna be something that I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I'm waiting for these. So these gonna be two smart light bulbs made by Xiaomi. And on my very first video on this channel, I already unboxed one of these Xiaomi smart light bulbs, and I would still consider that as one of my best investment ever, because 3 years later it still works perfectly fine and it's still doing the job, and I'm still using it daily. So this is gonna be some newer generation light bulbs. So let me just show the box around. So it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and I'm gonna use it with Google Assistant. So you can see the box here, I'm in the side, and you can read it if you want. Okay, so there is some information in Hungarian, that who is selling it, and it is from China. So let me open up. Okay, so this little plastic seal is not coming off that easy, and it's here in the other side too. So let's open it up. So here is the light bulb and a little paperwork and nothing more in the box. So it's a relatively thick little book. So this is the user manual, and I'm not gonna show it all of it. The other one is the warranty note, and here is the light bulb. So my previous Xiaomi light bulb, this part is gray, but other than that it looks probably the same. And if you never had a smart light bulb in your hand, it is significantly heavier than the normal light bulbs, and because there is more technology in it. So here is also some data what you can read if you want, and let me try to install it. Alright, and I will try to turn it on, and also I'm gonna try to set it up. Okay, it's bright, and just to show the brightness, because it's when I'm turning it on, it's 100% brightness. I'm gonna turn off my lighter just for a moment. So this is the brightness. I'm turning back my light, and I'm gonna try to install it. So I already have one light bulb added, so I'm gonna try to find this one. There is a couple of light bulbs, but let's try this one. Hopefully it is what I'm looking for. Oh, it's already recognized it, so it's great, and that's probably gonna make this process a little quicker. Okay, let me add it to my room. Okay, did I rename it? Okay, so I'm gonna rename it later because I wanna just simplify it and name these light bulbs differently. So like light 1, light 2 and light 3, just to make it simple. So here is this application, so you can switch the temperature of the light, or you can switch it to the color mode, where you can set the okay, I just want to come back. Okay, accidentally I come back and it's scanning for device again, but let me just go back to the beginning. And oh, there is an update for it already, so let's just update it. And while I'm doing it, while it's updating, I'm also gonna open the other one, and just to make sure that it's also working, because it would be bad if it would be not working already out of the box. So the same thing from the other box too. Okay, it's already updated. I'm just gonna turn it off for now while I'm setting up the other one. Okay, let me add another one, or first of all I have to turn it on, and let's wait, because previously the little message just popped up that it's all sensed this new light bulb. So I'm gonna wait a few seconds if it can scan it automatically and find it automatically. Or maybe I will just go ahead and do it automatically. So it's scanning for the device, scanning for this light bulb. Hopefully it will find it. Or maybe not. Okay, so let me try to reset this one. If it's the same as my old light bulb, then I have to turn it on and off 5 times, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And let me try to scan it now. Or maybe it is a different kind of light bulb than what I selected. Maybe this is the problem. Okay, so I don't know why it's not gonna go back, because this exact name of this light bulb, this bulb essential, is not listed. I mean, I cannot see it in this list. Oh, it's already. I hope it is. Yes, it's found it, but not the way how I thought it will. So it's gonna be pretty much the same thing as with the other, except the part that hopefully I won't forget to rename it this time. So this will receive the name of Light 2. Okay, done. So let me add it to my room. Okay, it doesn't give me the option to name. Okay, here is the option to rename it. So I'm just gonna name it Light 2. Okay, let's get started. So pretty much the same thing as with the previous one. So I just lowering the brightness, and also I would like to show that if everything went alright, since because my Mi Home account is linked to, yes, it's linked to Google Home, these should be visible in Google Home too. So I can turn on and off from here too, and it also means that I'm gonna be able to control it with the Google Assistant. So let's try it. Hey Google, turn Light 2 on.
Okay, turning on Light 2.
And I'm just gonna rename the other one, but I'm gonna do it later. And also you can control the brightness of the light bulbs through Google Assistants. Hey Google, set Light 2 to 50%.
Okay, setting Light 2 brightness to 50%.
Okay, hey Google, set Light 2 to 10%.
Sure, setting 3 lights brightness to 10%.
Okay, so Google Home is not always perfect, or I haven't said it in a right way, but it's this Google and it's not understands you every time, unfortunately. So thank you guys for watching. God bless.